guys, welcome back to Save Here First. Save Here First. Welcome back to Save Here First. Okay, so welcome back to Save Here First. I hope you guys are having a blessed week so far. I am, and I hope you guys are listing, and making sales. So this is box number 3 from 88 lot. Ugh, it's heavy. 88 lot. Okay, so I ordered 4 boxes and I received 4 boxes. I unboxed 2. This is the 3rd one. Gosh, I need to get myself together, my game together, because I'm just being lazy, you know. But anyway, I have another 4 boxes coming from 88 lot this week. So in order for me to get ready for a joint unboxing, I have to make sure I get rid of these. So let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, so from these home goods, and the total of the box, total items for 4 boxes was 89. Whew. Okay, can't get hold of that side, I have to turn it around. 89 items in the box for $298. Shipping was $48, bringing the total to $346. So each item costs 300. Yeah, that's right. Each item costs $3.89, which is not bad, you know. I've sold a few from the first 2 boxes. So this is box number 3. So this probably be a very short video because I don't know if I have a lot of stuff in this box. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, let's get rid of the smaller items first. Whew, this is big. Organic curtain. This is cotton. So this is some kind of rope. I think this would be good for let's see, those that like to do craft work. So it's a cord, soft rope, handmade. So I don't know how much this will sell for. I think I did have it on the list because they give you a manifested list, which is good. So you can actually see what the price costs on Amazon. So this is $12.99 on Amazon. Not bad. Ooh, wonder how many yards is in this. 218 yards. So that's pretty good. Let's see. Okay. Don't know if this came loose in the box, but it looks like it's a silicone mold. So there's a mold of an owl inside of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it must have fallen off something. But put that one aside. Let's pick something else. Okay, so these are measuring tapes. Very small measuring tape. See, measuring tape. Okay. Huh. Incense sticks. I don't burn incense, so you know, maybe somebody will like this. 6 in 1. 6 in 1. So this, let's see, is under $10. It's good. Ooh. We think outside the box. These are storage cube. I actually do have some of this for my unit. This is good. So it's a cubic bin, so you can use it to organize stuff. So if you have a shelf, and you can put those in it, or even though you don't have it, you know. But this is cute. I wonder how much this costs. I have it on my list here. See, it's selling on Amazon for, well, let me put this down. I'll find out how much it sells for on Amazon. All right, bear with me, people, bear with me. So because I'm not going to tell you how much they cost at the end of the day, so, or at the end of this, so I might as well just go through the list and give it to you now. It might not cost a lot of money, probably about $20 or so. Well, I can find it on the list, probably those pictures. Let's see what we have here. Okay. So we have this in the bag. Let's just open it. Find out what it is. Something liquid. Yes, it is something liquid. And it's 2. Glass cooktop cleaner and polish. Oh, for your cooktop. Oh, your cook. Don't know how I'm gonna post this or list this. If I said, oh, I'll keep this, really too much. 5 years I'll be having that. So just used to clean my... Okay, I found it. So yes, that cubics, they $18.99. So that's not bad, $18.99. And the glass cooktop cleaner is $18.02. Alrighty. Let's see what else we have. More of these measuring tapes. More measuring tapes. Just threw it in the box here. Okay. Okay, this is some kind of hook. Has to do with blinds, curtains. I think that's what it is. So that's what that is. Let's see what else. Okay, this is another insert. Don't know how this is. Looks like it's in a box. Let me see if I can open it. Hope it doesn't go everywhere. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. Smells like... it smells like I just went into an Indian shop. That's how it smells like. Okay. So... that's that, and I guess that's not much money either. Probably about $10, I think. So yeah, probably about $10. Let's see what else. Okay, sequins and all this. This is the people that do craft stuff. So all the craft things I have to get, I'm just gonna bundle them together. Let's see what's here. Okay. So I had this in my first box. So this is the same thing, which is a picture frame. Oh, okay. Let's see what kind of picture frame is. Yeah, same thing. First Father's Day, June 21st, 2020. Father, Daddy and me. I don't know how I'm gonna sell these, but a friend told me that if I just put in my description, if you had photos that you took with your child in 2020, you need a frame. So here it is, the frame for you. So that's number 2. I know there's more of these anyway. So let's see, what else did we get? Okay, so this is a 200 thread count baby fitted crib sheet. Okay, crib sheet. Okay, crib sheet. Okay, yeah, these are for silicone agents. These are glue or whatever you use for your craft. That's one. Dusted pigments. Yep, another craft craft. All right, this looks cute. This is a shower curtain. Had a shower curtain in the first box and that sold, so hopefully this will sell as well. You can see it. It's a shower curtain, 100% polyester. 62 wide by 72. So that's not bad. What else we got in the box? Ooh. Mattress encasement. Oh. Bed bug proof and waterproof. Bed bug proof and waterproof. So that's cute. Probably about let's see how much this is. $39.97. So $20. Good. Oh, I have another one. So that's two. Second one. That's two. I'll list those today because hopefully those will sell fast. Okay, another incense. Those that like to burn incense. It's another one. Put them as a bundle. What is with these people and these measuring tapes? Maybe I should just put them in the boxes as gifts. You know, give them as gifts. Anyway. Or probably when I'm at... I have a vendor's event that I'm attending March 13th. So that's great. So I haven't attended an event in a very long time. I think the last time I attended an outdoor event probably was 2016. So this would be great to shift all this stuff. Okay. These are dry, if you use for your floors. Swifter. I don't know if this is the size of the one that I use, but I might just keep this for myself. No need in selling that. Oh, 12 picture frame, 4 inches by 6 inches. Picture frame. Let's go ahead and open this. See what kind of frame's in this one. I think you have to sell it by the box. Not really good at selling picture frame, but hopefully this will sell. You never know. Somebody probably will want all these. Wow, they're quite a lot. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in a box. This is what they look like. 12 in a box. Wow, that's a lot. Will I be able to sell all 12? Do I have to do it one after the other, or should I just sell it as a whole? You know, sell it in the box. Well, we'll see what happens. Probably if I list it as 12, somebody will buy it. Another measuring tape. Okay, so let's find out how much those frames cost. They are 23, so there's 12 in a pack, so there's 12 in a pack, so that's $23.99 on Amazon. $23.99 on Amazon. Okie dokie. What do we have here? Green leaf ink. What's this? I don't know what this is, so let's open and find out what it is. Oh, they're candles. Look at it. Okay. Oh, they're candles. Let's put that down. Okay. Whew, Lord have mercy. It is tight. Whew, finally. Okay. Hope you can see it. Smells really nice. I don't like candles that you have to light up and burn. I don't really like it because I don't really like the smell of smoke. It irritates my throat. So I won't be keeping this. I will be selling this. So that's not bad. I have 4 in the box, so I can sell them separately. Wonder how much this costs. Let's see if I can find it here in the manifest. Oh, $12. Not bad for $12. $12. Yeah. Okay. We have 2 more items in the box, so let's see. A Yankee Candle. A Yankee Candle. Yankee Candle. Let me open it and see what kind of candle this is, and let's go to my notes and see how much this sells for. And let's see. $25. Wow, $25 for, well, I don't really buy candles, so I know that candles can be so expensive, but looks like this one is, where am I going to open it from? Let's just open it here. Oh, this is really protected. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's a big candle. Dang, look at that. Very big candle. Smells nice. White Gardenian. Gardenian? I hope I pronounced that well, but I'm very bad at pronouncing stuff. But that's the candle. Smells really nice. Wow, $25. Okay. That's not bad if it sells for $15. I'll take $15. All right, people. Just one more item left in the box. Oh, okay. I was debating whether to keep this. It's a bedside shelf. Look at this. It's a bedside shelf. You can put your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your alarm clock, your remote control, and any little small things you have, you know, those little things that you got, you can just put it in. So I'm not gonna open it because it's sealed, which is great. So it's got a little hole down here for your cups, little bits there. Put your little bits and pieces on there. So, and then you can put it by your bedside. So that's not bad. Now, let me find out how much this costs. See if it's worth it. $25.99 on Amazon. $25.99. Not bad. Half that price. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to be listing this stuff. Okay, guys, so... Oh, one more. One more stuff. This craft stuff. So that's it. The box was really heavy. Now we know why it was heavy. I thought there would be a lot more stuff in there, but the first 2 boxes that I opened, boxes last week, they had a lot more stuff in it. So, and it's taking me forever to list. Haven't even finished listing everything in that box, but you know, I have to keep listing. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe to my page or to my channel, Save Here First. If you like what I'm showing you and you want to buy anything, please send me an email at SaveHereFirst@gmail.com. So SaveHereFirst@gmail.com. Yes. Or you can leave a comment below if you see anything you like, and we can make a deal for you. All right. Anyway, thanks, guys. Until next time, when I actually unbox another box, it will be from 888 Lots.